In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a letter poster design in Canva. Whether you're creating a poster for an event, a project, or simply for fun, Canva is a fantastic tool that makes the design process both easy and enjoyable. To get started, you'll first want to open your web browser and go to Canva. If you don't have an account, it's simple to create one and it's free, though there are premium options available if you want to explore them later on. Once you're there, you'll notice the dashboard brimming with design possibilities. For today, we're focusing on creating a letter poster. From the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design option. This button is typically located on the top right-hand corner. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Poster. This will take you to a new page where you can start designing. You'll often find a variety of dimensions suitable for different needs, but for most purposes, the default settings will work just fine. Now, once you're on the poster creation page, the real fun begins. You'll have the choice to either pick a pre-made template or to start from scratch. If you're feeling adventurous or have a specific vision in mind, starting with a blank canvas might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you prefer guidance or need inspiration, explore the template library. It's filled with beautifully designed options that can be customized to fit your needs. Next, let's talk about layout. This is where you decide how elements like text and graphics will be arranged on your poster. Consider what message or mood you want to convey. Are you going for something modern and minimalistic, or perhaps bold and vibrant? The layout is crucial because it impacts readability and visual appeal. Spend some time experimenting here, as it sets the foundation for your overall design. With your layout in place, it's time to dive into experimenting with composition. This includes playing around with colors, fonts, and images. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it particularly easy to try different options until you find something that clicks. Perhaps mix and match a few font styles, and remember that sometimes less is more. Once you're satisfied with your design, the final step is to save your work. Click on Share in the top right-hand corner. This will bring up download options. To maintain high quality, you might opt to save your poster as a PDF or PNG. With just a few clicks, your masterpiece is ready to be printed or shared online. And there you have it, a striking letter poster crafted in Canva. With these steps, you can create something that's not only visually appealing, but also effective in conveying whatever message you want to put out there. Thanks for watching.